Isabella, what do you want?
The best pumpkin.
And what did Bobby say?
There's no space for the big pumpkin.
Oh no, don't videotape me. Please.
Yeah, to me. Then me first.
Blow Puppy kiss. Did you smile like that for your school picture? Tan bella. He's so beautiful.
You're so funny and beautiful.
So funny
You're
and
silly.
beautiful.
She's silly.
You're so smart and funny and beautiful. Right? And you
Can you pretend you're fixing my hair?
Can I pretend?
It's a
I'm fixing
video.
it?
Yeah, we have to buy kitchen first.
Oh. Can you get the guitar and bring it to Isabella, please?
Why?
Can you sing the song? You sing the song? Yeah. You found it? Here, Isabella. There's a guitar. Can you give it to her, please?
Eliana.
Eliana, give her the guitar, please.
I don't have the guitar.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Eliana, ven.
Please come.
Wait.
I don't have the guitar.
It's in the other hand.
Eliana,
No.
come on.
Yeah, it's in the other hand.
No.
Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Eliana, come here. Eliana, come here. I want you to play me a song and then give the guitar to Isabella. Go get it.
Come on, go
Go get it. Play me a song. Go get it. Hurry up, go get it. Make it appear again.
Okay. Please, paparazzi.
You saw that?
Okay, play it, Elena, and sing the song.
Play a song.
No, play the right way. Come on. Play the right way, Elena. Sing the song.
Sing the song that you were singing before.
Wait, Isabella, wait. You're
Sing the
next.
song you were singing before.
Yes, sing it.
Okay, no, give it to Isabella then, if you don't want to sing it.
Okay, then give it to Isabella so she could play. Go ahead. Play your song, Isabella.
I want chocolate
Sing.
and milk. So blue. I'm so blue. I don't know what to do.
Yay! What's the other song?